Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a royal dessert, saffron milk cake. Soft, rich and infused with saffron. This sweet is perfect for any special occasion. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 liter milk. Let it boil. Boil the milk for 2 minutes. Now take 2 tablespoons water and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Add with the milk. Saffron is the world's most expensive spice, often called red gold. The milk will curdle. Paneer-based sweets are a traditional favorite in South Asia. Always add vinegar or lemon juice in hot milk to curdle quickly. Now strain it over a cotton cloth. Wash with water. Wash the paneer oil to remove sourness from vinegar. Squeeze out the water and let it strain for 30 minutes. Now crumble the paneer. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee, 1 cup milk powder and half cup milk. Mix well and cook on low heat while stirring. Add some saffron. Adding saffron not only gives flavor but also a natural golden color. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Mix well. Stir continuously on low heat to avoid lumps. Now add the crumbled paneer. And cook until the mixture leaves the pan. Grease a 5-inch mold with oil. Place baking paper. And pour the mixture. Spread oil. Top with pistachio and almond. And keep aside for 1 hour. Let the cake rest for at least 1 hour for best texture. Milk cakes have been enjoyed for centuries during festival and celebration. Paneer is rich in protein and calcium, great for bones. Saffron is known for boosting mood and improving memory. Now finally garnish with saffron. Your soft and royal saffron milk cake is ready to serve. Milk powder adds energy and richness to the sweet. Almonds and pistachios give healthy fats and crunch. Try this saffron milk cake at home and impress your family. If you enjoyed the recipe, share it with your friends. Comment below with your favorite saffron dessert idea. Don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more royal treats.